Marco. Listen, welcome to the Max Out Leverage Tribe. If you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe. Today, more importantly, we're talking about some Q&As in which I thought it was actually interesting. Never assume anything. We're talking, what is credit? One of the first questions that I got is, what is credit? So let's dive right into it. All right, so credit is simply your trust report card. For me, this is the simplest way to put it. It's your trust report card. All right, so let's actually get a definition as to what it says here. It says, credit is a trust that lets people give things, example like goods, services, or money, to other people in hopes to repay later on. Okay, guys, the simplest way to put it, I don't want to get hella deep on this. The simplest way to put it is, hey, listen, this is, remember you go to high school or you go to college, at the end of the month or the end of the quarter, you have a report card. So they just have that to be able to buy goods and services on credit, right? That's the simplest way to put it without going overboard. Guys, simply just Google this, right? You got that. All right, so the next question is, what is bad credit? So if we're going off of the first definition of credit is simply your trust card, right? Your trust report card as an adult. A bad credit will be a low trust score. So maybe you get an F's and D's or C's or C minuses, right? What is good credit? A high trust score. You get in your A plus, B's, B plus, A minus. To answer that question. Another one I thought was really interesting here was, why do I have more than one credit score? This is really good. You guys, there's over like 30 FICO scores. So why you have more than one credit score is because based on the product in which you're getting, if it's a house, a mortgage, if it's a car, if it's a line of credit, if it's a secured loan, if it's an unsecured loan, based on the financial product, or we're saying financial product because we're talking about a lot of those in this on this channel. Just based on that, there's several different ways in which our scores are calculated. Okay, so based on what the product is, there are different scores that they come up with to be able to give you A, B, or C in order to pass, right? So that's why you have different scores. It's just depending on the type of product, right? What is a credit bureau? This is good. Credit bureaus are just another company. It's a company, and it's an agency that collects data and sells data. Yeah. A company that collects data and sells data. Here's the official definition: an agency that collects data and sells data for a fee. That's Google. Yeah. Okay, how do I get a free credit report? Annualcreditreport.com. You can get a free credit report. And last question here is, who has access to my credit report? Anyone that pays for it with your consent. Guys, when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, this is simply a game. Consider all of this a game. It's a game being played. Your company's just running it. If you get yourself on the right side of the game, you can play it for you, your family, your loved ones to win. Once you know the game, you know how to play it. If you don't know the game, chances are you would double dribble, travel, foul out. You get my drift, right? All right, so I hope those answer some of those questions. Those is really good. Maybe I'll keep doing more of these Q&As where you guys just drop some of your questions. They're not stupid questions. I had the same questions. I just Googled the mess out of it. I binged and I figured out all of these little things to be able to just get a basic idea of all of it, to be able to get, myself, and then now we're teaching people to get, huge lines in business funding to be able to grow their businesses, scale their businesses, or take it to the next level. Okay, so great question. I hope this helps. I know this helps if you actually just listen to it. Catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.